Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also do well to follow us on Telegram. You'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at GBPUSD, right? I told you guys, if you will follow us on the daily aspect, how we were analyzing this chart daily, right? If you've not watched it, you can go back to go and watch it. Now, to those of you that we are actually following, you see, I told you guys that we'll be expecting a bullish move from this level, right? Which the market did. We see at first market push up, then it came back to test this level. And guess what it has done? It has gone bullish. The reason why I told you guys that there will be a bullish move from this level is that when you go to your 15 minutes time frame, you'll see something like an head and shoulder pattern. You can see it here, inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see this is the left shoulder here, this is the right shoulder. When market pushed up, I told you guys that there will be a bullish move to upside. Market did that and it came back. At first it pushed, came back to test it, due to some, volatility news and every other thing, came to test it. And guess what it has done? It is going bullish. So definitely we would continue that bullish move. And I will also tell you guys that we are expecting it to level of 1.31. If you've been following this channel consistently, you'll be following our weekly analysis, daily analysis. I've said it before and I'll say it again. GBPUSD is heading straight to a level of 1.31. No matter what it does, no matter the liquidity it does and everything, GBPUSD is going to hit a level of 1.31. Probably by January, we should be able to hit it because we all know November, December, we'll be expecting sell on DXY, which I've said it before. I've been saying it about 3 months ago, 3-4 months ago, that November and December expect a massive sell on DXY. So if there's going to be a massive sell on DXY, then any PS you are trading to your USD must go bullish. So with this GBP to our USD, we should be expecting GBP to USD give us a bullish move, right? Now, but we are going to be looking to cover more of this trade on GBP USD on the Patreon channel. One of the best things is that you can now join us at a 40% discount rate, right? So those of you that literally reached out saying that you would love to join the channel, that you would want to get at a discount rate, we are now currently offering it at this new month. We all know this is the first week of the month, right? So we are now offering it. This offer is going to last for 2 to 3 days. So if you trade GBP USD and you need one-on-one support on trading GBP USD, so within that support you can learn 1 or 2 things that will make you to trade yourself, right? All you just have to do is join the discount right now. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So once you go, you sign up with the discounts, which will last between 2 to 3 days. Then you can, start trading with us with GBP, USD, and also you get the support you need. So you can also take your own trade yourself on GBP, USD. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Now back to this our analysis. I've said it before that GBP, USD is heading straight to level of 1.31. So if you're a swing trader or a position trader or a long-term trader, so you would want to be heading, you'll be targeting at least not less than 400 pips. You see, for GBP USD to come to this level of 1.31, we will be grabbing 400 pips. Just imagine a lot of pips. Imagine if you can join us with this 40% discount rate, you can very much likely to grab part of this 400 pips. Now with this GBP USD, we will be expecting a breakout of this level. Now take a look at this. This is an higher highs here. Take a look at this. Here comes the higher lows, higher highs here. You can see it here, an higher lows. What is this? This is an higher highs. What the market do next? Higher lows here. What is market doing? Market wants to give us a new higher highs. That is why I said market is going to break out of this level. You can call it the resistance zone. One thing is that a lot of traders will be looking to sell here. That is the mistake a lot of traders will sell. I'm sure many of you guys that are watching this analysis right now, you are aiming to sell at this resistance level because you say, okay, this is the resistance level, GBP USD to sell and drop. It is not going to do that. Yes, there might be a bit of a reaction which might give us a pullback, but that does not mean it will start selling down to this level. It will just be a little bit of a pullback, and guess what will happen? GBP USD will go bullish, thereby giving us a new higher highs. So if you will go ahead and sell here, you are very much likely to get stopped out. And also, guys, if you trade without stop loss, which I will advise you not to do that, you are very much likely to blow your account. So be very, very careful. GBPUSD is ready for a new higher highs and we will continue that bullish move. More of this would be covered on the Patreon channel with a 40% discount rate. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.